Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And today is October the 4th of 2020, and I thought I'd come on and make an updated, straight to the point Kroger digital coupon video. Okay, so yeah, I was recently told that my video from 2 years ago, I just kind of ramble on. Yeah, it's kind of a long video, but I was answering a lot of viewer questions, and yeah, there's a lot to talk about in here. So if you want to get a more in-depth look at Kroger digital coupons, I've got a link to the video down below somewhere. It'll be around here, and you can go watch that other video if you want to know a lot more. The website does look a little bit different than it did 2 years ago, but that's the way websites are these days. Okay, so the first thing you need is to set up your Kroger account on their website. So if you have a Kroger card or one of their affiliates, go to Kroger site and set up your account online. And then right here it says digital coupons. So you just want to click on that. It'll take you over to this page right here. And yeah, pretty much here's the coupons right here. So you can just flip through the coupons. You activate them by hitting the clip button, and now the coupon is on the card. So if I went to the store and I bought some Hellmann's mayonnaise that qualifies for this, it's 30 ounces, it says right there, then this coupon will work. Okay, so you got to make sure that you give the cashier your Kroger card that's associated with the account that you clicked your coupons on, and the coupons come off automatically. Now, the coupons will work on the pickup orders and delivery. It says right here. So, you know, if you're just doing pickup or delivery options, then make sure that the coupon says that it works for that, because it might not. So some of these it says ship, but none of these that I've seen actually work for shipping as well. Okay, so let's look at this. If I wanted to look at what more about what products and what is this about, you can click right there, and it talks about what product it works on. This one you can use 5 times because they're having an event. It says 5 times event. The ones that say this use up to 5 times in a single transaction. I could buy 5 of these ice creams, and this coupon will work 5 times, but you got to do it all in the same transaction, because these coupons will only work one time. So once you've done a transaction that's used the coupon disappears out of your account. They may put a new coupon in there, but this one is gone. Okay, so if I decide to buy 2 of them today, it'll use this coupon twice, and then it'll disappear. Most of the coupons will only work one time on one item. Okay, so down here it shows which items that it specifically will work on. And if you're doing pickup or delivery, here's where you would just add that item to your cart. So you know that that's the one that the coupon works on. Okay, so you just want to look in there, and then it'll work for you. So you can just clip that. And these coupons will work on sale items. That's not a problem. If they're part of a mega event or something like that, the coupon will still work, and it'll take it. You'll get the sale price, and then you'll get the coupon amount off. And it is possible to get items for free if like a lot of times with toothpaste, they'll put it part of a mega event. It'll be on sale for $1.99. The coupon will take $2 off, so you'll get the item for free. So that can happen. Okay. Yeah. So like this item right here, this one doesn't say 5 times event on it. So this one will only work one time. Save $1 on 2 Chobani multi-packs. Okay. So you have to buy 2 of these Chobani products that qualify for this in order for this coupon to work. They don't have to be the same. If there's multiple items that the coupon works on, you could buy one of these and one of these, and the coupon will come off. Okay, so yeah, that's the down and dirty how the coupons work. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.